In this video, I'll guide you through how to assign permissions in HubSpot. Whether you're managing a small team or a large organization, knowing how to correctly assign permissions is crucial for maintaining data security and ensuring that everyone has the right tools to do their job efficiently. Let's dive right in and make sure you're set up for success. First, you'll want to navigate to the appropriate settings in HubSpot. To do this, locate and click on the settings icon, which looks like a gear. Once you're in the settings menu, direct your attention to the users and teams section. This is where you can manage your team members and their access within HubSpot. Now, find the user whose permissions you wish to edit, hover over the user's name, and you'll see the option to edit permissions appear. Click on that, and you'll be taken to a screen where you can adjust their access levels. There are two main methods to assign permissions, using a pre-made permission set or customizing them manually. Let's start with the first method, which is the quickest. You'll notice a drop-down menu labeled Permission Set. By clicking on it, you can choose from a variety of pre-made sets tailored for different roles, such as Marketing Manager or Sales Associate. These sets are designed to streamline the process, automatically applying a comprehensive range of permissions suited for specific roles. If one of these fits the bill, this method is your go-to for efficiency. If you need a more tailored approach, the second method involves manually selecting permissions. This is where you can really customize access based on specific needs. You'll see several tabs such as CRM, Marketing, and Sales. By toggling the options in these tabs, you can grant or restrict access to different features within HubSpot. This method is ideal if you need to fine-tune permissions for a user who has unique responsibilities or if the pre-made sets don't quite match your needs. Once you've made your selections, it's crucial to save your changes. You'll find the Save button conveniently located at the bottom right of the screen. Make sure to click it to ensure all your adjustments are applied. This step is essential, otherwise all your careful configuration might not take effect. Assigning permissions correctly is a vital part of managing your HubSpot environment. By following these steps, you can ensure that each team member has the access they need without compromising sensitive data. Remember, having the right permissions not only empowers your team, but also keeps your company's information secure. I hope this guide has been helpful. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to reach out in the comments section. Thank you for watching and see you in the next tutorial.